War machines, instruments of power. They have shaped battlefields for centuries. From simple catapults to modern fighter jets, their evolution is a testament to human ingenuity and destructive tendencies. This essay explores the development of some iconic war machines. We will journey through the history of tanks, planes, ships, and artillery. World War I saw the debut of a new weapon, the tank. The British Mark I, lumbering and slow, was designed to break the stalemate of trench warfare. Tanks quickly evolved, armor improved, engines became more powerful. The German Panzer, during World War II, exemplified this evolution, emphasizing speed and firepower. Post-war, tanks like the American M1 Abrams and the Russian T-90 represent the pinnacle of armored warfare. These behemoths boast advanced composite armor, computerized targeting systems, and devastatingly powerful cannons. The evolution of the tank is a testament to the constant drive for battlefield dominance. The Wright brothers' first flight in 1903 changed warfare forever. By World War I, flimsy biplanes were already dogfighting in the skies. These early aircraft were fragile. They were also lightly armed. Yet they demonstrated the potential of air power. World War II saw the rise of iconic warplanes: the British Spitfire, the American P-51 Mustang, the Japanese Zero. These aircraft were faster, more maneuverable, and heavily armed. Jet engines revolutionized air warfare. The introduction of the German Me-262, the first operational jet fighter, marked a turning point. The Cold War spurred the development of supersonic jets and long-range bombers. The American B-52 Stratofortress, with its capacity to carry nuclear weapons, became a symbol of Cold War tensions. Today, stealth technology, unmanned aerial vehicles, and hypersonic missiles continue to push the boundaries of air warfare. From the trenches of World War I to the modern battlefield, war machines have come a long way. The evolution of tanks, planes, ships, and artillery reflects our technological progress, but it also highlights the enduring human capacity for conflict. What does the future hold for warfare? Will artificial intelligence and autonomous weapons systems change the face of battle? Only time will tell. But one thing remains certain: the drive to create more advanced, more powerful weapons will continue.